Hi all, welcome to the video right here in the UK because of the censorship for censor and other little things like that and all. This quick little video here, just come over here to the store over here at the shop and come over here, and what it is an age, face, ID, date of birth, verification, along with current country you're in and the country you would like to be in as well. Now for this app spoofer right here, it does it all. There's no sign in, no sign ups, no monthly charges, no subscriptions either. It's a one-time buy and that's it. And I would like to have everyone, as many as possible, get your family, your friends on here, do it real fast, get this before it would pretty much not be banned, but de-exclosed to the public so no one would find it or use it. Basically, right here in the UK, it does go back and forth. As you can see, it's here. It's not active, whatever, on local. It is locally hosted on your own machine, CPU. It's small. So after you download it, you get it right then and there. You'll get these two files. The first being instructions, specs, different stuff about it. And the second file, the full-on app. All you do is go down here to launch where it says shortcut. Now you can copy it, put it on your desktop, or you can basically just double click it in its own folder and leave it. As you can see already on my desktop, I already got one that I already changed the name of it, but it's that one. So let's go ahead and start it. It'll show a local port, it'll have it right there, and it'll also show your own current network of IP address. But like I said, this is all yours. No one sees anything on this because none of this is used for pushing or calling. It's just using. Now, once you go in here, just go ahead and go up to your ID. Let's go ahead and right there at the top, and then on the right would be the facial recognition. Use the same image as well if you want, or whatever. It does work on both for the photo and the recognition. Date of birth right here, let's say, okay, August, yeah, okay, and then now right here, United Kingdom, I'm in. I want to go to France, okay, put it in France where I would be. Let's do a test. I don't have it. You have to run this test verification, and when it's successful, then you can connect. Come on, let's do it again. Oh, there we go. Okay, successful in the second try. And when that's done, just go right on over here and hit start. Once it starts, it shows the country you're currently in, but you only see it. No one else does. And it also shows the country that you would want to be in, which it does show. It will automatically launch this search engine right here for Google, right here directly on the internet with everything already done on it. Let's see. Let's put in that Ichi thing, the Ichi.io website that people are talking about that's censored and all this other stuff right now. So let's go ahead and put this in. All right, let's go over, that's what it is. NS, the not safe for watching, I think. Okay, let's click on it, see, right there. There's the date of birth and all that. And anything I put in here, it should automatically bypass it or anything because it's easy right here that anyone can do. Now with what I got in here for the app as well, it helps on so many other things. So let's go ahead and finish this up right here. Let's see, 1965. There you go. As you can see, I did have to censor everything out so the video would not be taken down. There's nothing adult on this either and nothing illegal as well. And there's nothing child illegal stuff on right here either, since most of it to all of it's blocked out. So let's go back right here. Okay, post forward. This right here is the same country I would want to be in, as you can see. And then on the other one right here, directly where I am now, UK. Let's see, it does have servers. The servers do connect it. It's only your server, but it's not a real server. It's just active. So instead of just directly shutting it down, just go right here, stop itself. It'll show you right here in the indicator, and then shut it down right then and there. It'll send you another indicator right there, and that's it. The application is done, stopped, and it's shut down. And still nothing more. Everything else on that is good. Oh, look right here. There's also the light and dark mode that, ooh, I like that dark mode. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to go back. I'm going to start using dark mode. Okay, yeah, all this is good. It's yeah. I'm just messing around with this thing, and wow, I'm still surprised at what it's been able to do. After you do, let's see, start this and all, it will have the same right there. You don't have to worry about the update or anything. Everyone's got that from all these things. So since I closed it and shut down the terminal, your server or whatever it is that you personally have does not exist anymore. So it's just a regular app and it's not active anymore unless you keep the terminal on it. If you like this, go ahead and tell your family or friends and everything and let them know and get this